Good night. English 2 Stagdos record a video. Grupo 183. I am Juan Pablo Montoya Lopez. I studied business administration since 2020. I've lived in Germany since I was a child, but for 1 year I have been living in Belgium. 19 years in the field, I share with nature what like a lot for its tranquility and diversity. I really like to eat in restaurants where I have eaten something unusually like buffalo meat and shrimp. I have been dating for 3 years. I have known some places. I can't say that my best trip has been to Capurgana Choco, a beautiful place. I have also traveled to Cartagena, Tolucobeñas and Guatape. I work in a logistic company since 2020. I don't like movies very much. The best I've seen has been the Fast and Furious saga, and the worst have been La Colombiana. Thank you.